Welcome back to our health and wellness channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could be a game changer for your heart. We'll be exploring the incredible benefits of omega-3 fatty acids and their potential role in cleaning your arteries and reducing plaque buildup. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the magic of omega-3s, let's understand what they are. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. They come in two primary forms: eicosapentaenoic acid or EPA and docosahexaenoic acid or DHA. These healthy fats are found in certain foods, most notably in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Now, you might be wondering, how can these omega-3s help my heart? Well, let me tell you about their heart protective effects. Omega-3s are potent anti-inflammatory agents. By decreasing inflammation in the arteries, they may help prevent the development of atherosclerosis, which is the buildup of plaque in the arterial walls. High triglyceride levels can be harmful to your heart. Omega-3s can work wonders in reducing triglycerides, promoting better heart health. Omega-3s may increase high-density lipoprotein or HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that helps remove harmful LDL cholesterol from the arteries. But that's not all. Omega-3 fatty acids have even more to offer. These healthy fats enhance the function of the endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels. Better endothelial function means improved blood flow and healthier arteries. Omega-3s might play a crucial role in stabilizing existing arterial plaques, reducing the risk of plaque rupture, and potential heart attacks or strokes. And also, omega-3s can help prevent platelets from clumping together, reducing the likelihood of blood clot formation in arteries. Now that you're excited about omega-3s' heart benefits, let's talk about how to include them in your diet. The most delicious way to get omega-3s is through fatty fish like salmon. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. There are plant-based sources of omega-3s, such as flaxseed, chia seeds, and walnuts. If it's challenging to get enough omega-3s from your diet, consult with a healthcare professional about adding supplements to your routine. Remember that maintaining healthy arteries is a crucial step towards overall heart health. Including omega-3 fatty acids in your diet is a simple and effective way to promote artery cleanliness and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting and informative videos on health and wellness. Until next time, take care and be well.